Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Grady Tech and this is the speed test between the Honor 9 Lite and the Mi A1. Here are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, all the apps have been updated to the latest version and both the phones are running the latest version of operating system that is based on Android Oreo. Purely based on benchmark scores, Honor 9 Lite is more powerful than Mi A1. But let's see how they actually perform. I'm just gonna fast forward here because it's taking too long. So guys, Mi A1 was 20 seconds faster than Honor 9 Lite. That's really a huge number, but let's see how they perform side by side. In this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and exactly how fast it is. For system apps like phone dialer, messaging, and some Google applications like Play Store and Gmail, Honor 9 Lite was faster than Mi A1. But for the rest of the apps, Mi A1 was significantly faster than Honor 9 Lite. So guys, in the speed test, Mi A1 is the winner. Now let's look at the memory management round. In this round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. By the way, Mi A1 comes with 4GB of RAM and I have the 3GB RAM variant of Honor 9 Lite. I know it seems unfair to compare 3GB RAM variant with 4GB RAM variant, but even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory. So let's see how they perform. Memory management is good on both the phones, but Mi A1 performs slightly better because of the additional RAM. If we compare it with the 4GB variant of Honor 9 Lite, you might see very similar results. So in the memory management round, it's a tie, and in the speed test, Mi A1 is the winner. By the way guys, I'll be posting a separate video comparing these two phones, but if you want a quick answer, here you go. If you want better performance and faster updates, get the Mi A1. If you want a lot of cool features like the full view display, dual cameras in the front and back, portrait mode and other software features like dual apps, then get the Honor 9 Lite. I have already posted the camera comparison between these two phones, so do check that out for the camera performance. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Which phone do you think did better and why? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description, it really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.